It's 11:45, October the 9th. Temperature's gotten up to about 74, 75 degrees. We're pouring this foundation today here at 12340 Farmstead. Another quick update. We've got about 3/4 of the concrete in place now. So this whole project's going to take about 240 to 250 yards. So we're at about the 180, 190 mark, getting close to 200 at this point. Waiting on trucks to show up. As you can see, here's our pump. We do not have a mixer truck here right now. They've been rolling them in about every 10 minutes or so. And so when this next truck comes, they'll finish off this area that you can see right here in the front of the foundation. And then the truck behind it will be used to go back here and finish off the back patio area. That'll get us up to about the 220 mark. And then we still have over here on the left side, we've still got the porte-cochere and the one-car garage. That'll get us up to the 240, maybe possibly even the 250 mark by the time we get that done. So we're moving right along with this. We've got beautiful weather. There's not any wind blowing. The temperature's great for doing foundation work. It will top out at about 84, 85 today. So it's going to be a little hot this afternoon. But right now, it is the perfect temperature to be pouring concrete.